it's Myra. Welcome back to another CV Linens video. Today I'll be showing you how you can do a at-home birthday party that looks professional and is totally affordable. Let's go ahead and get started. Have it, this beautiful at-home birthday party idea that you can use for your next birthday party. Feel free to go ahead and let us know what other videos you'd like to see. Don't forget to also check out our socials for more inspiration. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.